In this video, we will review the Rejuvacare FootRenew Massager and see if it actually works. So the Rejuvacare FootRenew Massager is a device that uses a combination of heat, massage, and compression to relieve foot pain, improve circulation, and reduce symptoms like tingling and numbness. Users also report quick relief, improved stability, and convenience for at-home use. It is also drug-free, non-invasive option, but individual results may vary, as it's important to use it safely and consult a healthcare provider if you have underlying medical conditions. It has a triple therapy that combines gentle heat, massage, or kneading, and air compression to provide comprehensive foot treatment. They have pain relief options as well as it can help improve circulation with enhanced stability, customizable settings, and convenience. There's also some important considerations such as you need to consult medical providers for this and make sure to already just check it out from their official website. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.